Today you'll take the section 14.3 and 14.4 vocabulary quiz in social studies. Make sure you put your name, class period, and date at the top of the page. Here is your word bank. A. Productivity. B. Domestic slave trade. C. Process. D. Consequence. E. Discrimination. F. Overseer. G. Yeoman. H. Underground Railroad. I. Spiritual. J. Slave codes. K. Legal. L. Prejudice. M. Brief. And N. Literacy. Write the letter of the correct word beside its definition or description. Number 1. These are rules that focus on the behavior and the punishment of enslaved peoples. They are laws in the southern states that controlled enslaved people. Number 2. This is the ability to read and write. Number 3. This word just means that it's permitted or allowed by law. Number 4. This is a system of cooperation to aid and house enslaved people who had escaped. Five. This is the trade of enslaved people among states in the U.S. Number 6. This is the name for any African American religious folk song. Number 7. This word means short. Number 8. This word is a plantation manager. This is what they're called. Number 9. This word means to prepare. Number 10. This word is an effect or a result. (11) This is a name for a farmer who owns a small farm. Number 12. This is a measure of how much a worker can produce in a given amount of time and effort. (13) This is unfair treatment based on prejudice against a certain group. And number 14 is similar, but this is an unfair opinion of a certain group, not based on facts.